Namaste everyone, I'm Namrita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very special guest with me. Meet Angela. She is a very dear friend of mine and a professional makeup artist. Okay, we are doing eyes now.
Yes.
Do you want to do it?
Let's do it. Okay. So I use, I'm gonna use Morphe and I'll use a little bit of K-Beauty as well.
So this is Shade Thrower by Morphe.
Another thing about applying eyeshadows is what kind of brushes you're using. I like using blending brushes. I'm gonna use a brown, it's called So Bad. It's like a brownish chocolatey color just on her crease line just to create a little bit of depth in her eye.
So crease is basically this thing that cuts, right?
Yeah. This thing is called crease. Okay. And I'm gonna use just on the outer corner because we wanna create a lifted eye, illusion of a lifted eye effect. So just on the outer corner. Another thing that I would recommend is how you hold your brush. If you hold your brush ऐसे बहुत सारा pigment आ जाएगा. नहीं, आपको अच्छे से blend करना है. पीछे से पकड़ो.
Okay, I understand what she's talking about. वो सिर्फ बाहर के side लगा रही है, which is nice.
Yes.
Eye makeup. Oh yeah, I can already see like there's a depth. Yeah.
Another thing, whenever you're using an eyeshadow, just make sure you're not taking excess product in your brush. It's always said कि जितना कम उतना अच्छा. अभी मैंने क्रीज पे लगाया तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा एक हार्श लाइन आया है. हमको वो स्किन में completely blend करना है. So I'm gonna use a color which is very similar or lighter than her skin. उसको कहते हैं transition color. So I'm gonna use this Fake Friend from the same palette and just gonna blend just the line, nothing else. Just go on top of it. जो line है तो ये seamlessly blend हो गया.
Oh yeah. That's true. So she did not go over this. Like सिर्फ वहाँ जितना blend करना था उतना blend करके you've done it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
See now it's like दिख भी नहीं रहा है कि कुछ harsh था करके.
I'm gonna use RBF to apply shimmer pigment. It's always recommended to use flat brushes or the best thing to use is your fingers because सारा pigment उससे drop transfer होता है आपके lid पे. So मैं तो ये बाहर use करूँगी. मैं अंदर की तरफ इसको नहीं use कर रही. और अभी मैं इसको blend भी करूँगी. I'm gonna use the blending brush and I'm gonna just blend जो जहाँ पे मैंने ये पिगमेंट लगाना फिनिश किया है, like जो इसकी लाइन है. So you see just on the outer corner. So like the trick is you always use the darker shades on the outer corner and the lighter shades in the inner corner.
ये मुझे पता है, ये मैं करती हूँ.
So अभी हमने बाहर shimmer लगा दिया है. So I want to keep it a bit blended out. So हम light shimmer वाला लेंगे. So I would tell you to do it and show how you do it with your fingers. Just take this Flower Power color from the Huda Beauty palette because it has like lighter shades. Or if you want to put it in your inner corner. Okay. और यहाँ पे like जहाँ पे मैंने ये eyeshadow खत्म किया.
Okay. What I really like to do is I like to बहुत ज़्यादा आगे लिया.
कोई बात नहीं. We can blend it out. So if you take a lot of product, shimmers can always be blended out. I'm just gonna blend it out. Yeah. One quick thing that I like to do on everyone is just using dark shade just on the lash line. So I'm gonna use a dark brown and you can use like a very small detail brush and then you dab out the excess.
Wow.
Morphe palette is very pigmented.
That's pigmented.
So you close your eyes, you will lift up your eye and you just go on the lash line or just bar and then
just take it out.
Just take it out and then blend it. You need a blended look. Open.
Love
So you see the difference.
Love it. See, this is like nothing like no detailing.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no pop and this is like more just one step, but it like enhances everything. That is so pretty.
We're not going to use liners or kajal because kajal से बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि आंखें छोटी कर देता है. You can use a white kajal to open up your eye.
One thing that I've learned from Angela is your eyebrows doesn't need to look twins. They can be siblings, not twins.
Yes, they can be two sisters.
Yeah, two sisters, not twins. So I usually like to go with ELF का ultra precise brow gel. Benefit भी अच्छा है, but again I think it's expensive for the amount that we get. So what I like to do is I don't have dense eyebrows, right? तो पहले जो मेरा gaps है, I just fill those gaps. Yeah, maybe जैसे ना ये थोड़ा this side, I try to just make it a precision and like finish it well. That's it. That is the.
So that's what you need to do. You need to fill up your eyes. Some people like to shape their eyes. Like I've already done my eyebrows, but you see, I don't have a lot of hair here, so I like to fill this gap up just here and give it a little bit of shape, and then go here just to fill the gaps in between, just to make it look a bit fuller. One thing I would like to highlight, she's using a eyebrow pencil on her eyebrows, which is good for her because she has thin eyebrows, so like it works for her. I have very thick dense hair on my eyebrows.
Two variations.
So I like to use pot and Anastasia Beverly Hills pot eyebrow gel, which is very pigmented, and it is long lasting for my eyebrows, and it just gives whatever I desire for. Another thing I would recommend, whenever you're done with your eyebrows, just use a spoolie. Just brush it out, because you don't want the hard lines on your
you don't
eyebrows.
want the product to be seen on your
Yes.
on your face.
So just to make it more seamless, more blended, just use a spoolie and spread it out. Brow gel क्या करता है? Not everybody has to use brow gel. There's a trend going on that you have to keep your brushed up eyebrows. So उसके लिए आप brow gel use कर
And now
सकते
to get that look, I have recently got this product. This is ELF का
हो
brow gel. So जब मैं ये use करती हूँ ना, जो product का harsh lines है, वो भी blend हो जाता है काफी seamlessly. I am using Rabanne's mascara.
Best mascara.
Yeah.
Although it's a very exclusive brand, it's only available in London and a few other countries, but it's not widely available. But there are other brands which are available everywhere. You can go for Lancome. Lancome is available widely. अगर आपको drugstore करना है, you can go for L'Oreal. L'Oreal का mascara is very nice. It gives a very dense look.
Now I'll show you इसका difference क्या होता है. This mascara is recommended by her. इसके बाद I don't want to switch on to.
It gives a very natural finish,
Yeah.
but it just defines your eyelash. Let me do my mascara simultaneously. So I use Christian Louboutin mascara, and it gives a very nice volume. My trick to use a mascara, even if it's for lash lifting, you can use it in such a way that you can create volume with it. I'll tell you how. It depends on the brush, the kind of brush there is for the mascara. So this is like a very old school kind of brush.
Can you see the difference? Like this is.
Yes. यहाँ पे जो ये बम्प है,
It is like this.
Yeah, it is like this, जो आपका लैश लिफ्ट में मदद करेगा. और ये जो दोनों एंड्स हैं इसके, वो थोड़े ब्रॉडर हैं to give it a volume effect. So this is 2-in-1. This is just voluminizing. So I'll show you the difference as well. And one trick I do when I apply mascara, so like you start from the roots, you start from the bottom, you wiggle it there and just brush it out. Because sometimes what happens when you just do it like this, तो बहुत सारा ना यहाँ पे clump हो जाता है जो आपको नहीं चाहिए. So just wiggle it on your roots and take it out. क्योंकि यहाँ पे टाइट लाइन है ना आपकी, तो टाइट लाइन पे आप जब करते हो तो आपका हाँ, it gives a very defined look. Another
Just look at that difference.
When I like to use it on our under eyes, I use the tip of the mascara wand, because आपके बहुत fine hair होते हैं, so एक एक करके आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो.
I usually skip this step again for the same reason, because मेरा under eyes.
But it depends. Rabanne mascara doesn't melt.
Yeah, it doesn't melt, but I'm just not used to doing that anymore, so I just skip it. तो मेरा यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है. Just look at her
difference between both the eyes.
It is just
it
opened up.
Mascara is my go-to product. I can't get step out of the house without mascara. Just opens up your eyes.
I think my eyebrows and mascara is like two things
that you can't step out.
I can't step out as well.
Without.
Next step that I like to do is, so मैं blush जब लगाती हूँ, so this is a blush that I've recently discovered. It is Dewy Liquid Blush by Pac Exara. And what I like to do is, now you can tell me if I'm doing it correct or not. Again, it depends. Like I want my cheekbones to be lifted up.
Yeah.
So I like to place it here. Is it okay?
Yes, perfect. That's why I wear my blush as well.
So अभी मैंने फिर भी ज़्यादा लगाया है. But I like to blend it later. I like to put this also on my skin. तो मैं यहाँ पे लगाती हूँ and यहाँ पे लगाती हूँ. And then I blend it.
So what it does, it gives a very seamless, illuminized, highlighted, and this is your high point. So इधर आपका highlight आता है तो काफी अच्छा लगता है जब reflection
मतलब वो जो distinguish करता है ना highlighter अलग लगाने से.
I also use that. I also mix my highlighter with my blush, and I go it a bit editorial. So I go here as she is applying, and then as she is doing it, take it up. So it gives again a lifted effect.
It depends on the
face structure. So if you have rounder face, आपके यहाँ पे cheeks ज़्यादा हैं, so you apply here, you look very cute, but when you apply here, you look very sexy. That's how I define it.
See now, मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया और मैंने contour नहीं लगाया. Still you can see the difference, right? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है आपके सामने. I just used this in this motion, and it has already given me those.
When you are applying your product on your face, you have to go in this motion. आप ऊपर की तरफ उसको blend करो. कभी भी ऐसे नीचे मत blend करो क्योंकि product आपका बहुत फैल जाएगा. और one thing, as you can see, I have applied a little bit extra. कभी बार हो जाता है जब एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट आप फेस पे यूज कर देते हो. जिस आप ब्रश से आपने फाउंडेशन लगाया, जस्ट उसको उसके ऊपर डैप कर दो and then it just
even I
tones
like
it
to
down.
do that. जब extra हो
Yeah.
जाता है तो I usually don't like to give that cut.
Cut. Yes.
मुझे कभी कभी अगर चाहिए होता है तो मैं करती हूँ, like I put it here and here
Here.
sometimes bit,
हाँ.
but otherwise I don't like.
So you can apply it here, and as I said, when you are
Blending it,
just take it upwards. I apply it here just for nice transition, nice shading, and
But
then
that is
a bit on
only
your
when you
jawline.
want to go like all out.
Yes, yes.
So
I'm not
every
going
day.
to use
If
it
you're
right
a beginner,
now.
you don't have to do that.
I'm not going to use it.
I'm using a lip cheat Charlotte Tilbury's darker shade. Okay. And I'm just going to line my lips.
So she's
quickly.
using a lip liner. Me personally, I don't like to use lip liner. I just go with a basic colored lipstick. As I mentioned before, I like to use Vaseline. I don't have my Vaseline right now, so I'm gonna use normal colored lipstick in a pink shade. A very good technique to apply your lipstick is to start from your cupid's bow and then brush
Blend
it out. It gives a very natural finish. But आपको अगर define करना है, so you can go with lip liner. पहले जब मैं makeup करती थी, मेरे को lip liners use करने में बहुत दिक्कत आता था. So you use a lipstick as a lip liner, so you can use 2 shades of lipstick, a darker shade on your outer lip and then a lighter shade in your inner lip. And when you put a gloss on top, it just gives an amazing finish.
The reason why I like to line my lips is because it just makes it pop. And I like
Yes.
that. On a regular day, I would not do that. But अगर मुझे थोड़ा all out जाना है तो not by fixing anything here, I would just fix it on my lips.
So you see, मैंने अभी बहुत पिंक बेबी शेड लगाया है अपने लिप्स पे एंड उसने थोड़ा टिंट दे दिया है मेरे लिप्स पे. This is my everyday makeup.
Also lipstick हर एक के lips के pigment के हिसाब से will work
Yes,
different on
yes,
you. So
yes.
अगर मुझ पे ये अच्छा लग रहा है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पे भी अच्छा लगे. So this is Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Medium, जो ये पता नहीं मेरा 7th या 8th है. I'm in love with this. This is my regular thing to do.
Another thing for lipsticks is you need to understand the color wheel. So this is a bit detailed thing, but
Maybe we should keep something for next video.
okay, we'll keep that for next video.
Yeah, maybe a bit advanced next
Yes,
time,
yes.
where we will go all out. Although I have a question for Angela. So as you can see, my nose is a bit bulgier here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not like I don't
Yeah.
have like a chiseled
Yeah.
nose.
Yeah.
So is there anything that I can do to make it like
Contouring.
So where should I put it?
So for contouring, so what contouring does, it creates illusion. So you go from here, you come a bit out, जितना
Yeah.
भी तेरे को अपना दिखाना है ना, कि जितना भी width दिखाना है अपनी nose का, you take it out till there and then you ऐसे यहाँ पे you put a line on
Understood.
it.
Understood. What she said, I used to do the same thing. I put it ऐसे
Yeah. Yes.
and same thing ऐसे. And जो तूने you said here, right?
Yeah.
ये मैं नहीं करती थी. So let's do it today. Okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
And then just so I like to blend it with my fingers. तो मैं क्या करती थी? I used to start. I basically start from here.
Yeah.
Okay, I start from here and then blend it like this. And same thing for here. तो जब मैं ये करती हूँ तो यहाँ से ही ऐसे properly दिखता है. And maybe here like this.
Yeah. So ऐसे देख
Oh
कितना.
yeah, it does make a difference. Just look at
Yes.
that. It's like perfect.
Yeah.
Another thing.
And then you
मैं
use
highlighter,
highlight.
Yeah.
Highlight.
Because we're getting late. So yeah, and sometimes also like to use the highlighter here. Again,
Yes.
it depends like मुझे कितना all out जाना है,
Yes,
कितना नहीं
yes,
जाना
yes.
है. So this was our full phase makeup look.
Makeup look.
We're really sorry we have to rush right now.
Yeah.
But
But
this
you
is
can
how
see.
it looks.
Yeah. I'm going a bit basic and she is going a bit
With the eyes, I think
eyes with the
really
eye.
make
It makes a difference. It makes a difference.
Just look
Yes,
at
yes,
this.
the difference.
This is like
Everyday
look.
makeup, no makeup look.
This is more makeup, no makeup look, and this is like more defined with because of the eyes. This was it for our video, and thank you so much, Angela, for doing this with us.
I
And
hope we'll be able to do it again.
again,
soon.
yes, we should definitely do it again with more techniques and more information. Let us know what you think about this video, and do all the good things like, share, subscribe, and comment. And let us know if you have any doubts. I'm sure Angela will
Yes.
help us.
Put it down in the comment box.
Yeah, and she will help us. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.
Bye.